Hey guys, so today I am actually going to show you how to put together a canvas print that is actually not already on the frame. I got this awesome print from Photowall, which is a company based out of Sweden that you can actually get wallpaper or custom prints or custom canvases with your own pictures on them if you want. So that's what I chose to do. They reached out and I was either thinking, do I get wallpaper for the camper and try and do a little camper renovation, or do I just get a canvas print from our time on the road? And because I have no time and it's hot and I don't want to work on the camper in the middle of the summer, I went with the print. So let's see. I got a pretty big one. It was like 29 by 34, I think. So we'll see. I can't fully remember. I know it was 29. I'm trying to remember if it was 34 or 36, but I can't wait to see it. So it comes with all the pieces. Oh, and it'll probably tell me what I got. No, 31 by 19, so not even 29. I lied. It's 31 by 19. 29 would have been pretty big. So it comes with all the pieces that you need and step-by-step instructions. Whoa! That's gonna be bigger than I thought. Okay, this is maybe the mounting. How you mount it? Let's see. Yep, mounting brackets if you want to mount it on the wall. So we'll put those aside for now because that'll be Babe's job, not mine. And then the piece de resistance. I can't wait to see it. Aww. Oh, it's pretty cute. Now I just have to get it on the canvas correct, or on the frame correctly. This will be interesting. Okay. Babe, you might have to actually help me. We'll see. Okay. Step-by-step instructions are pretty simple, which hopefully that works because I like simple. Place the canvas cloth on a clean, flat surface. I did vacuum, with the print facing down and the back facing up. Okay. So we are currently, ooh, I may not have vacuumed as well as I thought I had, but here we go. Let's put this down first. This will be my workstation since I suck at vacuuming, obviously. Should have let Babe vacuum. He's much better at it than me. Okay. Clean, flat surface with some primmy hairs on the back. So we are currently renting an apartment from a friend of my mom's, and it was already furnished. She's got a lot of her stuff still in here. So I also thought it would be a fun idea to get this to kind of personalize the apartment for ourselves a little bit. Oh, I'm just going for it. Okay. Place the canvas cloth on a clean flat surface with the print facing down and the back facing up. Remove the protective paper from the tape on one of the frame sections. Position the frame section along the edge of the cloth, centered between the corners of the cloth. Please note, the protruding section of the frame must point towards the middle of the cloth. Now smooth your hand along the edge of the frame to firmly attach the cloth to the tape. Okay, so there's no glue, no staples, nothing. There's just the tape on the back of each piece of the frame. And you are supposed to remove, remove the protective tape. Well, heavens. Oh, it's around the flip side. There we go. Okay. Oh, it's pretty sticky, so just be careful. Okay, removed. So this is obviously the longer side. Position the frame section along one edge of the cloth. So like right here, right? That's the edge. Right, babe? Okay. Oh, it's got little sections cut out so that you know how it folds over. Okay. One. So now I'm just lining it up along the edge and then pushing down. Getting in my workout for the day, y'all. Okay. So do I do that first? Position the corner. So do that all along. Okay. Remove the protective paper from the tape on one of the frame sections. Position the frame section along one edge of the cloth. Please note the protruding section of the frame must point. What does that mean? The protruding section must point towards the middle of the cloth.
Not the way you got it.
Not the way I have it. So I was wrong. I did not put the protruding side of the wood. So that's what they meant. The protruding side of the wood needs to go towards the inside of the canvas. So lining it up again. I just took it off pretty carefully so that I didn't mess up the stickiness of the tape. See, it kind of lifts pretty easily, and then stick it back down with the protruding side facing in. So now, protruding side is on the inside of the canvas. And now I know what to do with the rest of the pieces. So just, when you lift the corner piece of the tape off, just be careful not to lift the sticky part off of the wood. Fold the corners of the cloth up towards the tape on the frame sections. Okay, so you take off this little square, I think, and fold the pieces of the canvas up onto the sticky part. So they had done little cutouts so that you can easily fold the canvas up. If you want to take the little square off, you can. I don't think you have to. It's just so that you fold the canvas in on itself. So fold so that it matches up to the sticky part and press. Fold, press. And this is where I made a mistake yet again with the same frame, which I had to remove for a second time because I had them too close to each other and so it wouldn't fold over correctly. Make sure you leave a little space for them to fold in on each other. Okay, took it off one more time and hope that it sticks again. Okay, you want to make sure that the little overhangs, the wood is actually hitting right on the corner so that it has room to fold in and match up with the other pieces. So now fold over and press. Okay. Fold and press. Okay, so now you fold each piece in towards the other piece. It's going to be a little hard because it's stretching and you want it to be tight. Okay, we're just gonna have to, it's gonna have to hold itself down with these. So these are actually what the mounting brackets are for. They go in the corners. These pieces go in the corners and screw into these little holes. So here's my instructions sheet. Okay. Position corner plates in the corners. Insert all 16 screws and tighten them to make the frame stable and get tension on the cloth. So these are the little 16 screws that go in through the plate and screw in to the frame. One. Then you just do the rest of the corners the same way, at least until you need to enlist your husband's help and make him stop filming for a minute so that you can line the L bracket up exactly correct with the screw holes. It just gets a little bit harder as the frame gets tighter. And so he took over for me for a minute. Sometimes the corners catch and it's hard to get it right lined up with the little screw, but you just have to kind of maneuver it a little bit, do some of the other ones first, and then it just pops right in. Another tip would be to leave the screws a little loose as you're putting them in, and that way you have a little more ability to maneuver the L bracket into place over the screw holes, and then once all 4 screws are in, you can tighten it up after that. And there you go. I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. This was actually our time in Grand Junction, Colorado. And so we were boondocking one night right outside of some dirt biking trails. It was a really pretty spot. And so now we're gonna hang it above the bed, probably. But yeah, find a place to hang it. And voila, photo wall. I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. It's cute. Colors turned out good. Our old little front porch, babe. I miss the rope. It sits really easily on the hook she already had up there, so it's not too heavy for just a regular hook. They gave us a mounting bracket, but that's just a hook and a nail. Looks pretty good.
It's crooked.
Crooked? Is that better? No. Which way?
Pull your side down. There you go.
Okay.
Don't forget to click to subscribe or watch another video.